I'm planning.
He's planting, boys. Did you hear that?
Device is set.
Next spawn area. Both of them coming from behind. Two of them.
I was literally watching the door until I heard motherfuckers getting shot up, and you said behind. So I turned around and watched the bomb. Don't
When
get
did I
pissed.
say behind me? When did I say behind me?
Dude, you said coming from
I
behind.
never said that. Exactly, from where you're at. If I said coming from behind, you think they would be shooting at me?
Oh my god, I heard him.
This guy just goes dummy because we're talking shit, dude.
Me?
Honestly.
Yes, sir.
I love you, bro.
Hey, I love you too, bro.
I don't love you. I
Hey,
think
bro,
you look
come on,
like a
slow down.
fucking motherfucking
What?
Destroyed.
I suck.
Farid bang. Dude, you suck. No way you fumbled that shit. I'm sorry. I don't mean it. I don't mean
Like
what I
any of
said.
those bullets
I don't
fucking
mean-
missed.
I don't mean what I said.
Yo, can
You
give
ain't
me a gun,
taking the
please?
dub, man.
I'm taking the dub, boy.
Destroyed.
Alright, boys, we gotta take this dub. I already said it.
There's one in the middle.
You're a bitch.
What a fucking name.
Yeah, get to that. This guy's the best sniper I've ever seen.
Dude, I actually...
Oh,
No way! No way! That's actually wrong.
Dude, I literally
That's going on my YouTube channel.
Don't push him. He's back there. He's all the way back there. Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. Come back, please. Please come back.
What am I doing? I'm throwing.
Oh my God.
I threw so bad. I threw so bad. I'm sorry.
What'd I say,
Just watch the
dog?
bomb, please. Just watch the bomb.
Dog said, alright, now I fucked up. Watch the bomb.
Go down the steps. Go down. Yeah, he's not on. He's not on.
You
He's
got
not
that shit.
on.
You got that. You're...
Alright, we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Alright,
Good shit. Good
alright.
shit.
Alright guys, let's get this fucking dub.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I like P. Hold yourself over there, buddy. I got your flank. Alright?
I mean, his name is Lick P, so he probably drinks it too.
No, he doesn't. He just licks
I
it.
scarfed that shit down.
No. You're just a licker. You're not a sipper. Alright, boys. Let's get one round. Come on. We got this. Let's go A. Let's go A, guys. They won't expect that. We got this. Stick together as a team.
UAV in the area.
Fuck, they got a UAV. We're done for.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, they're all right there. Y'all, I believe in you guys. I believe in you guys so much. I believe in you guys so much. To your right, behind you. You got that, man. I believe in you. No, I believe in you so much. We're gonna get a fucking round.
Fuck you, go!
No, please don't.
Fuck you, bro!
No. No. Three. This is my second round. The fuck do you mean 3 kills? All right, boys. To be.
Get the laser target to win. Enemy UAV active.
Fuck their UAV, bro.